wanna put my clock in my life. I'm taking, I'm taking, I'm taking, no, I'm taking, I'm taking, I'm taking, I'm taking, no, I'm taking. I'll be there. I'm taking. I'll be there. I'm taking. See now my life is balanced. The past there is no remembrance. Now I they get assurance. So leave me to chop my romance. No be you say I be dirty. Now why you call me sexy? I think so you must be crazy. Crazy inside the membrane. Crazy inside the membrane. For your info I'm taking. My mind is fully awakened. My heart is strong, no shaking. I'm taking, I'm taking, I'm taking, no I'm taking. I'm taking, I'm taking, I'm taking, no I'm taking. I'll be there. I'm taking. I'll be there. To the left, to the left. I don't want a bad man in my life. To the left, to the left. Don't wanna put my clock in my life. If you don't love me, then why later? See, say now I'll be better. Just get away, you faker. Just get away, you faker. See me head, I got this ring on it. Every night I just stay sleep on it. So it's a bomb when he shakes on it. On my heart he's got his name on it, yeah. He's got his name on it, yeah. I'm taking, I'm taking, I'm taking, no I'm taking. I'm taking, I'm taking, I'm taking, no I'm taking.
Babe, tuna macha wagusi, staki kuvaa tena nuksi. kucheat sasa nukta. Tunashapa film hata nkikucheat ya rufi na nisuta. Post paka wako block safi kama wana bando wasaidie wifi. Wanajila spona si pepesi kwako na wesi mwepesi. Me I love nobody but you. You and I tusina option. Onesha kama ne moja weka caption. Watu hata kijificha takuchimba. Kama ne moja utamlinda.
Honey, ukinimisi when you text I'm a video call cause I'm here for you. Washakuna kwa kikutest ni post kila time waboreke tu. Come on nae, come on nae, come on nae, come on nae, moja mposti. Come on nae, come on nae, come on nae, moja mposti. Come on nae, come on nae, come on nae, moja mposti. Come on nae, come on nae, come on nae, moja. Oh, waonyeshe vile ulivyoomba wakomeshe. Oh, waonyeshe vile ulivyoomba wakomeshe. Oh, waonyeshe vile ulivyoomba wakomeshe. Oh, waonyeshe vile ulivyoomba wakomeshe.
Love kwanza hawatuvishi unajua na wala hatuli kwao. Wanajitia kutujua misi na story zao ila za kwetu wanajua si wanaweza na wao. Yani ni kutusumbua. Sasa tutenda beach made the sunset. Walike marafiki kwenye engagement na kila tukio picha zitahusu. Tumugope nani umri unaruhusu. I'm so proud of you, let them know that. Look